One thing that a lot of people don't realize you can do is add external links into your main navigation on Squarespace. So it's not just pages that you can actually link to external links, or you can link to files or whatever it may be that doesn't live on your site. So what I'm going to do is show you how to set up that external link now. On our site, if we go to pages, you'll see main navigation here. If we click plus and then we go down to link, which lives under more, you can see here we can add a URL, file, email, or phone. So we'll give it a title. Now this is a skydiving site. So let's just say I want to go to learn more about skydiving. And we want to put like an official link. So here's one I pulled up earlier. This was the most official skydiving link I could find, British skydiving. So we grab that link and we pop it in here. And we always want to open an external link in a new tab, because if we don't, then it takes the user straight off the site and we have a higher bounce rate. So always keep that toggled on, hit save, and you'll see now in our main nav, we've got this, learn more about skydiving. So this is how it would look to a visitor. We click on this and boom, it opens up in a new tab for us. So really, really simple. You can add as many as you want. There's no limit on this. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.